Welcome to English for All with Khadija USA, learning step by step at your own pace.
Welcome to Sing Along Time with Khadija USA. Today, we will be singing People of the World.
This world is our world, it's where we are from. Wherever we are, this world is our home.
Spanish, Portuguese, Haitian, Arabic, Vietnamese, Nepal, Russian, Albanian.
The world is a tree, and we are its leaves. Hello world, hello friends, hello to everyone. Different places, different races, but all the world is one. We're from different places with all kinds of names. Our countries are different, but we're all the same. All over the world, wherever we are, the same hopes and dreams are in all of our hearts. Hello world, hello friends, hello to everyone. Different places, different races, but all the world is one. Hello world, hello friends, hello to everyone. Different places, different races, but all the world is one.
Thank you for watching this video. See you again. Please don't forget to tick subscribe, like, and hit the golden bell for more videos.